In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default web browser to Google Chrome on your Windows computer. This is perfect if you're looking to make Chrome your go-to for surfing the web, handling all your links, or just trying out something different from what you've been using. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the settings. There are a few ways you can get there, so choose the one that feels easiest for you. One straightforward way is to type Settings into the Windows search bar and click on it when it appears. You can do this by clicking on the search icon in your taskbar or simply pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can click the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you see the pop-up menu, look for the gear icon usually labeled as Settings and click on that. If you're more of a right-click kind of person, you can right-click directly on the Windows icon and select Settings from the menu that appears. Each of these methods will bring you to the same place, the Windows Settings window where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the settings, look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. You'll find it among other options that help you manage the system and personalization. Once you've opened Apps, glance over to the left side of the window where you'll see a list of options. What you need to do next is select Default Apps. This section allows you to control which applications handle various tasks by default, such as browsing the web, playing music, and more. Next, scroll through the list of default applications until you come across Web Browser. Clicking on this option will show you which browser is currently set as your default. In my case, it's Microsoft Edge, but yours might be different, and that's perfectly fine. The crucial part is selecting it, which will give you a list of available browsers installed on your system. From there, choose Google Chrome. By doing so, you're letting your computer know to open all web links with Chrome from now on. This means every time you click on a link or open a URL, it will launch in Chrome, giving you a more customized browsing experience suited to your preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your default browser to Google Chrome. Feel free to experiment with it and enjoy the various features and extensions Chrome has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.